Hi there, welcome back to QuoHR. I'm Sunil Ali, and in today's video, I will walk you through the simple steps to sign up for QuoHR and get started with managing your workforce effectively. Let's jump right into it. First thing first, you need to open up the browser and type the URL in the search bar, which is cloud.qohr.com/signup. This will take you directly to the sign up page. Here you have the option to create new account. So the first thing that is asking for is the basic details. You need to fill the details. Starting with the first name, I am using Thomas for this video. Username and then the email address. This could be something that the company has given you or it could be your personal email account. Okay, about the password, it must be strong. It must contain some capital letters, symbols like underscore, at the rate, full stop, anything, or and the numbers. You need to agree to the terms and conditions. You need to go to the next step. This will take you to this page where it is asking you about the organization, your organization. Okay, first of all, the name of your organization. I'm using this as the name for this video. Workspace URL. I hope that you have some kind of URL for your organization. You need to mention it here. And workspace type like digital agency, it is about your company. Is it a digital agency, freelance digital agency? So I'm choosing this for now. The number of employees in your company and the country where you live in or where the company is located. So Pakistan, the address is optional. If you want to mention or enter the address, it is up to you. The contact number. Okay, now we will continue to the next step. Ta-da! That's it. Signing up is that easy. In the next video, I will guide you through setting up your company profile and personalizing your dashboard to fit your organization's need. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to our support team or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.